Today I'm going to share my favorite salsa recipe with you. So please like and subscribe to my channel. I would really love and appreciate that. Begin by rinsing your ingredients under running water to remove any dirt or residue. Then quarter and slice your tomatoes with a sharp knife and place them into the cooking dish. Chop your onion to make sure it's easier to blend your salsa in the Vitamix or blender of your choice. Add the garlic, peppers, and tomatoes and onion in a rectangular cooking dish, and you can spray the peppers and garlic with an olive oil. Then you want to put them into the broiler for 6 to 7 minutes on each side. You want to make sure that those skins get toasty so you can peel those off afterwards. Take your ingredients out of the oven and allow them to cool. Dance break. And get your cilantro and lemon ready. Now you peel the skins off the pepper and chop the garlic and onions before putting them in the blender, and then blend on low. That is good. Got a little bit.